What's going on, guys? You're probably thinking, why the hell is this video starting in my kitchen? Let's just say I got so excited at the vehicle graveyard, I actually forgot to film my intro. I said main vehicles, that's it, that's my passion. I just went crazy, straight round them. So this video is literally going to start at the trucks, I'm going to say. We're going to end up in the house, we're going to go back to the outside vehicles. So enjoy it, let me know what you think. I'm not too much of an expert, but I think it's a Land Rover off the top of my head. Looks like that sort of thing anyway. Was it an older Unimog? I know, it's pretty damn cool, whatever it is. Sadly rotted out after being parked up here in the trees. Check out this badass Mercedes Unimog, guys. That is damn cool. I'm gonna say by looking at it, it's got to be late 60s, early 70s maybe. I'm not too much of an expert on them. It looks about that sort of age. That's damn cool. That would be worth some money if that weren't in such a state that it's in. So the hood is just down by there. Rotted out after being parked out in here. It's so overgrown. What I'll do, I'll walk around and show you the back when I get on there, guys. Here she is, original hooks on the back. Not sure if I was to do a bit of ploughing or something. But that is damn cool. I'm a fan of that, I'm not gonna lie to you all. So it's just tools and stuff everywhere. Hay rakes everywhere. It's just been yellow, it's been white, I can see red in it. Awesome. Literally just over here, there's another tractor of some sort. Like I said, it's just like a bog around here, guys. I'm just sinking, so sorry for it being a bit jumpy. Cab structure is long gone, but the other bit is just there. Let's try and get around to that side. As you can see, it's a nice day, but a lot of the ground is still muggy. So I'm just digging myself in as we go. That's cool though. Guessing that'd be in a JCB. Probably a Caterpillar, something like that, I don't know. It's yellow, and normally when they got the booms on the back, that's what they are. That was a car at one point. There we go. If you're watching this video, help me out. What was it? I don't know. I don't want to say like Austin Allegro, something British Leyland. Not 100%, but there's stuff everywhere in the trees. So it's going to be a while looking around here. There we go, would have had photos. And that's about all that's left. If we go through here, we've then got a big old sort of truck. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some pictures here, guys, and I'll pick up the video from the other side. So the question is, did you guess the car right or not? Because I've literally just had a little walk around. I thought, nah, gotta do a bit more investigating. I was wrong, be honest. How many of you was wrong? It's actually a Peugeot. Don't ask me what type. I'm guessing some sort of wagon. Early type. But I found the grille. I found the chrome bumper over there. And if you can just make out, the steering wheel still has the Peugeot badge on it. So there we go. We are standing in the back of a Peugeot. Interesting. Right, so here's another one for you to guess. A little bit of history for you. There's the reg, VUH250S. Obviously would have been backwards at one point, being the older vehicles compared to like what we get today. What is this? Got the big Spencer boom on the top, cherry picker. I'm going with transit in my head. Early transit. How right am I? That's what it looks like anyway. It's pretty damn cool. Yellow also, you know, makes me think sort of down the lines of BT, etc. Yeah, see the forward steering wheel, was a transit. Awesome. Shame to see classics in such a dire state, to be fair. So we are trekking back through. Basically, I've done this place arse backwards in a sense, if you like. Because I walked past all this because I wanted to go and see something. And I'm glad it was there. That was a Mercedes Unimog. So there's a lot of farm stuff around here. It's an International, I think. Yeah, International. I thought it was going to be a hubcap of a car, and it was actually a plate. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere, parts everywhere, cars everywhere, tractors everywhere. The sheer scale of the house when you're there. Another tractor. Rover. Trying to be as straight as I possibly can in here as well, guys, but it's so uneven. Tripping over every little thing. Caravan at some point. Tractor cab, maybe, possibly as well there. There are some more modern cars over there, including a Jeep Cherokee and the trees falling on it. It's bloody awesome to see. But we'll do that later. Forklift. Let's go and do around here in the house first. It's hard to believe one day this will probably be a bit of a classic. I know, right? Rover going to be a classic. 106. That's quite interesting because it already looks like either the sun has done that or just by the trees where they're grabbing it. If you can just see the way the glass is all just cracked, not yet smashed. That's pretty awesome. Again, stuff everywhere in the trees. An Escort M, some 1995. Be interested in how long that's been parked up here. And there's the house. Awesome. Take a couple of pictures here, guys, then I'm off on in. Right then, guys, we've entered Hoarder's Paradise through a nice big grand door. It's full of bees, and that's a big ass bee. But anyway, I'm not too sure how much is going to get done of this because it's not in the best of states. You can't even walk around here properly. Floor all the way down here somewhere. That's a cool helmet. I'm gonna tell you in advance though, the video's gonna be jumpy. It's gonna be moving a bit quick. That stairs don't even look that safe. But I'm not gonna just film me trying to struggle getting through rooms. I'll film when I'm in there, right? Right, so we're in another room, guys. As you can see, it's just collapsed there. It's a shame, really. So the beautiful old furniture, etc., that's been left up in here. And just the sheer scale of everything. You can actually feel the floor bouncing as you walk over it. Big old Skeletrix over there, that'd have been cool at one point. Had furniture everywhere. I'm sure if you pushed it all into here, maybe just to save it, or unless he was just that much of a hoarder, every room is going to be like this. So the death trap continues. We're not getting very far here, guys, is what I'm going to say. There are parts of stuff just, well, I say parts of stuff. I say the actual house is everywhere. Just look at that. That's gone. That came down with a bang as well when that happened. Just watch for nails. So there's no even floor up in here, and it's just literally breaking as you walk on it, and that's crazy. Imagine what's under here. Awesome. The stairs probably doesn't look that great. Oh, just look at the lean on that. It's just down. The sheer scale of this would have been so grand back in the day. Oh, stairs is going. Tell you what, guys, probably a dumb idea. Ashamed to see it like this though. Oh, bathroom has collapsed. I'd love to get over there, but no, it's not really gonna happen. Oh God, you can hear it. Yeah, I think that's about as far as we're gonna get, guys. Bit of taxidermy on the stairs. Don't ask me how the hell I missed that going up. I think I was too interested in not dying. But I bet that would have been worth a bit of money back in the day. All that crunching you can hear down there is literally the plasterboard from where I've just been walking. Because it's like that. You can't really make it out in the video. But that's what that noise is. If you come in here, be careful if you are going upstairs. I really wouldn't recommend it. Right now, we're going to finish this video where it started. As you can see, sweat is pouring off me. It's about 23, 24 degrees. Sun's out, I'm not complaining. Summer. You could really get it here in Wales. And yeah, I'm just going to take you for a little walkthrough. You get a little bit more modern as you leave this place. Check this out. So there's parts of everything there. Would have been a nice Cherokee at some point. But look at the way the tree's falling on this. That's something you just don't see every day. What a waste of a car though. It's had big old American tanks. Always got a thing for these, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I love them. Absolutely love them. Then we've got a Honda. Just park up, put a bit of fuel in it, probably drive off. It's immaculate inside, Jesus. That's crazy. And then, smart car. As you do. Full leather as well. And that's a wrap, guys. That's the graveyard and the house.